dominated by thermal energy, 64%, while hydro is 30% and nuclear at 6%. Severe energy crises have had crippling effect on Pakistan's economy, and as per a report, 10% of GDP loss during last 5 years. Sustainable energy for all is an investment in our collective future. Universal energy access, increasing the use of renewable energy, and addressing the nexus between energy and health, women, food, water, and other development issues are at the heart of our core interests. Pakistan is assessed to be one of the vulnerable countries to climate change, mainly due to its geographic location, demographic, and diverse climate condition. Green Pakistan Parliament. Our Parliament has the distinct honor of becoming the first Parliament to go green by converting its energy need to solar power. Under China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, CPEC, framework for cooperation till March 2017, 8 projects from renewable energy has been signed in energy sectors. Alternative Energy Development Board act as a central agency for the development and promotion